Hello friends, today we will learn how to handle Excel sheet when we are using to calculate the mark sheet of a student. Here I am taken 10 students marks around 5 subjects mark to create one Excel sheet format where we'll calculate the total marks, average marks, their percentile and their grades. So already I took the data related to sample example. You can take any example. I am doing here for 10 students. You can do it for 20, 30, 40, any students, because we click on the formula. Based on the formula, if we enter the data, it will automatically calculate our total marks and details, whatever you want, that thing. So today's whatever we'll do, we'll use this Excel sheet formulas to calculate the total marks, the student marks obtained, and the average and the grade. So let's start. So here we are going to calculate the marks obtained, percentage and grade. So let's arrange this one with properly. You can just select all these and go to the border section. I can show you. Let these be. This is your border section. Just click on it. Go to the thick border outside box. You click on it. It will collect it properly. Okay. So now here we can make it same way. I can choose okay. So this bordering format we do. Ultimately now the total marks, let here I consider it's 100. So and 5 things, so it's total I have 500. I can do this and I can drag it and it will be 500. Okay, so total marks will be 500. Now what will be marks obtained? Marks obtained will be sum of, from this is, you can see this is E. Okay, E6. Can you check? If you see, get the sum, we need to calculate the sum of these 5. Okay, sum of these 5. So in Excel, to calculate the things, we need to make the formula based on the columns and the rows. Okay, so here column is E and the row is 6th row. So E6th to our I6th. Okay, we have to sum of that. In that case, we'll get the sum it. Okay, so what I can write, So here for mark obtained, what I can write? I can write sum of. So let me show you guys. So if I click this point, here I can write sum of. So what I can write? Row to column. So sum of, what's my row? My row is E of 6. E of 6 colon, up to what I have to take? I have to take up to social science, up to this, right? So this is I of 6, okay, and this is the head. So this is the formula we have, and we can drag it to this. सो यहाँ पे हमें अभी निकालना है मार्क्स obtained. तो जैसे कि मैंने बोला था कि वी हैव टू यूज द फॉर्मूला. सो ऑलरेडी here we have some formulas like equal to sum ले लेंगे, और sum के लिए फिर like I told row to column we have to choose. मैं थोड़ा क्लोजअप में ले लेता हूँ. ये रहा हमारा फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश टू द सोशल साइंस. ठीक है, यहाँ तक का मैंने सिलेक्ट कर लिया. तो ये आ गया हमारा, ये तो ये हमारे आंसर्स आ गए T96. ठीक है, so then we can just keep this and drag and drop so that this formula will be applied to all. So now you can observe, like, no need to calculate all those things. Simply you can use the formula and automatically it will give you the answer. Okay, if you click on this point, you will find here the formula, like here equal to sum, this formula, whatever I told in previous section, that sum function can be used. Okay, got it? How we can use that one? With sum function. Clear? Generally students do this one, this equal sign they will not use. That's why I show that. What's the common fault? Students used to do this kind of fault. Okay, so you have to careful about that. So the first part is done, that one, how to take the total mark obtained. Okay, now we'll check for percentage. So percentage formula, like same as we did in obtained marks. First equal sign, then mark obtained, okay, then it's obtained mark then multiply 100 divide by total mark. Okay, then enter. Then just drag this to apply this formula to hold the column. Okay, so now we got the percentage of each student. Okay, now from previously we did this for mark obtained, now we have percentage, and from percentage we can find the grade. So grade depend on mm, format, like how much percentage, on based on that we calculate. So I make one calculate of my arrangement of grades. Students can make their way of grade, means more than 70% A grade, 60% B grade, 50% C grade, less than 50 D grade. It's depend on the students, like whatever their requirement or whatever they ask to them, their teacher. So let's start with grade. ग्रेड निकालने के लिए बेसिकली मैंने जो फॉर्मूला यूज़ किया, मैंने बेसिकली ए बी सी डी ले लिया है. So based on that, I took the grading. But guys, you have to do like whatever your requirement will be there. If your requirements are A plus or this, depend, it's depend on your marks only. So you have to write the formula as per that. Like uh, I'll write the formula for, like, for more than 70 I'm giving A, then more than 60 I'm giving B, more than 50 I'm giving C, more than 40 I'm giving D, and less than 40 I'm giving fail. So that is my way of grading. Your way of grading, you can just change the formula as per that. Okay, so grade will take from percentage. So the formula will be equal to if so students, here we created the grade, and the formula is based on this. Okay, if select the percentage, let me do it again. Okay, so uh, there is two things here. There initially I created one video using IFS. In case of IFS, you can use that one. Mm, uh, with without using this nested if else. If you have Excel 2016, but if you don't, you can use this nested if. In this, the simple thumb rule is your condition, like the here our condition is, what our condition is, percentage with based on greater than this formula is there. Okay, let it be, I'll do it again. Make it control Z. Okay, so we remove all this formula, so we can start now.
So as I told, nested if else we have to use. So the basic, so to write this grade formula, click on it, then equal to if, okay, bracket, as per rule the logical test, then true value and false value. Our logical test is what? Percentile greater than 70 is A grade. Okay, so what we'll do, click on this percentage, this will come L6, L6 greater than equal to, it will be 70 comma true value will be A grade, then comma false value is what? Inside nested value. Next, B grade. For B grade, if again percentile greater than equal to, it will be 60 comma, same way you have to repeat it. This is B grade. If at last it's less than 40, then we consider that as fail. Okay, so this is the formula we have to make, and as you come here, so you have to end whatever we started. Like how many process we started 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 we have to end, 1 2 3 4 and 5, then enter. So it will showing us the grade. Now just keep it and drag and drop, so it will give you all the grades. So guys, here you come to know the few things related to your obtained mark, percentage and grade. So just go through that one and check whatever queries you have, comment, and if you think any portion you need more detailed explanation, just comment me, I'll prepare on that one. And if you want anything extra related to computer science, anything, just comment, and I'll prepare on that one. And any specific point you need more details, that also you can mention. I'll come with a detailed explained video. Thank you.